Yo, people, yo. Welcome to another episode of Whiteboard Wednesday 2. And we're going to get straight into it. Today, we're going to go over why I don't like superhero movies and why your children shouldn't either. Or your child shouldn't either. Now, I love superhero movies. And I will watch Avengers. I probably will watch the next Avengers when it comes out. One of my favorite superhero characters is Thanos. I just like the way that he just came in, did his business. The only reason that the Avengers won was because of, I don't know, time travel and nonsense like that. So that's just OBS. But I'm going to get into why Hollywood and whatever they say, they indoctrinate us. And yeah, anyway, look, it'll make sense when I get into it. And listen, I got this from this guy called Myron Golden, so I'm not going to claim this for myself. He said it, literally just said it like 5 seconds, but I went deep into this and it's just completely true. I'm going to go why I don't like superhero movies. And I'm going to just start writing some things down and it's all going to make a lot of sense. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write villains and superhero, common villains and superheroes that you all know. So I'm going to do villains on this side and superheroes on that side. So let's start with the villains first. So let's go, Mr. Burns. Mr. Burns. So Montgomery Burns. So let's go M. Burns. We all know him from The Simpsons. Let's do Lex Luthor. That's DC comics, right? Lex Luthor. Let's go Magneto from X-Men. Listen, you can tell I love my superhero stuff. I know it all, bro. And let's do a movie. Let's do Tony Montana. You know, say hello to my little friend, Tony Montana. And let's do Ra's al Ghul, DC Comics as well. I love Batman. Ra's al Ghul. All right, cool. And then on this side, we are going to do. We're going to do Hulk. We're going to do Spider-Man. We're going to do Green Lantern, because we've got some green here. If you don't know these superheroes, just look them up. We're going to do Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. And then finally, we're going to do the beloved Superman. Okay, now, and we said these are the superheroes. So remember, they're the heroes. Superhero. Now, what am I going to start writing here? I am going to write their net worth. Their net worth, or how much they earn every single year. So, Mr. Burns. Mr. Burns has about an $8 billion net worth. He has about an $8 billion net worth. Probably go into why their net worths are where they are later, but I'm just going to go through it. So Mr. Burns has about an $8 billion net worth. Lex Luthor, $75 billion. And he's actually the highest one. Magneto, $500 million. Tony Montana, $800 million. Ra's al Ghul. I had Ra's al Ghul somewhere. Yeah, I don't have it anymore. Yeah, let's just put $1 billion. $1 billion. Alright, cool. Now, this is where it's all going to start making sense. Hulk. Broke. Hulk broke. Every time he turned into the Incredible Hulk, he just, he'd land anywhere in random places, and he just found out he's broke. Hulk broke, even rhymes. Spider-Man, I don't know what job he earns, but he makes about $40,000 a year. Green Lantern, so he makes about $51K a year. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, broke. They live in like sewers. Broke. And Superman, 37k. Let me talk, man. Why is it that villains are rich and superheroes are poor? Villains are rich and superheroes are poor. Villains are the ones that have billions and billions of dollars, millions and millions of dollars, but it's the superheroes, the one that we say always save the day, they're the ones that are poor. The media, the world, the Hollywood, they want you to think that in order to be a hero, for some reason you have to be poor. For some reason, in order for you to help people, it means that you need to have you're not able to, be well for yourself. You're not able to do well for yourself too. When in reality, the people that actually help people are actually the ones who end up actually being the most well. If Hulk was real and Hulk saved my family, I'll buy him a car, man. I'd buy him a car, bro. What the flip? Bro, if Spider-Man was a real guy, obviously I know they hide their identity, but that's not to say that these guys, they hide their identities too. Do you get me? If these guys are real, these guys were smart, they would understand that. And this is what they want to do. This is what the world wants to make you believe, and they want to make your children believe too. They made us believe this since we were young. They made us believe that, in order for you to, you can't be rich and be clean-hearted. For some reason, they say, evil, what is it? Money begets all evil. But it's not that. It's the love of money is the root of all evil. They say money is the root of all evil. That's why they make rich people, they make villains have money, and then they want to do the opposite for the heroes. But it's the love of money, man. It's the love of money. And don't say it. Don't say I know what you're thinking. Don't even try and play me. I know what you're thinking. I know. I already know what you're thinking. I already know what you're thinking about. I know what you're thinking about. What about Batman and Iron Man? What about them? Yeah, they're rich, but they've got 0 superpowers, bro. So, in order to be rich, now you've got no powers. So it's only the broke people that have all the strength and all the powers and all these things like that. So even when you do have the resources available to you, you don't even get any powers. What's even the point? What is even the point? So now they want to tell you that, all right, cool, you can have all that wealth, you can have all the resources, but yeah, you can't be like Superman, you can't be like the Mutant Ninja Turtles, you can't be like Spider-Man, you can't be like Hulk. And that's really my problem right there. That's why don't look up to these superheroes. Be your own superhero. You know what I mean? Be your own superhero. Be your own superhero. Be your own superhero who has their own superpowers and you have your own resources. I'm not saying to be a billionaire, but be resourceful. Why is it that, Spider-Man, he's a lost kid. Hulk, he's a bit of a lost man. It's always some sort of deformity, but why is it that these guys have all the resources and arsenal available to you? Again, it's not about the billions, but it's about being resourceful. It's about why is it that these guys, they know how to manage well, but these guys, they don't. These guys, they don't. Why is it that in these guys' personal lives, they don't do well? Why is it that Superman always loses his girl? Why is it that Thor always loses his girl? But why is it that Tony Montana gets all the girls he wants? You know what I mean? Why is it that Tony Montana gets all the girls he wants? And yeah, you're gonna say Batman. Yeah, but I got no powers, bro. So now you got no power. Come on, man. It's rubbish, bro. It's rubbish. Anyway, that's my take. If you wanna put your own take, put it down below in the comments. like, and if you're watching this on other platforms, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And shout out Doe Clothing, man. What does it stand for? Don't overdo everything. Peace.